You got fries? You want fries? Yes. Don't be no crybaby tonight. What do you want?
There's one thing I'm never going to let Marika live down, that I don't have a win in Baja.
Dude, can we not start with this crap already? Please. I'm so done.
One thing I'm not going to let him live down in Baja.
Shut up.
Mariki, did someone text Mariki that the lobby's up? I'm not sure if he's racing tonight.
Dad.
We need you to watch her while Mama gets her stuff. She's fine right now.
He has me blocked. We have each other blocked. I'm not going to unblock him. Even though if I do, he's not going to see my messages.
Who's that guy? I think it's gonna be this guy, the blue guy.
Yeah, the blue guy's definitely losing tonight. Sorry, kids.
Okay, isn't everyone like? No.
B-Man, lobby's up. I'm waiting for you too. B-Man, your mic's muted.
There's a green one. Dang. That look like. Who is that? Oh, there's more than one. No.
I'm watching the chat.
Oh, it's DC. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, Shazam. That's lame. Oh, Black Adam's lame. Mary Barbara. I don't know that one. That's who you. Oh, that's who it is. Okay. Cool. All right.
Text Mariki.
DC.
Hello?
Hey, you got her? Take her to the bedroom, watch the show. You know,
If she starts crying,
if she starts crying, come please get her. About this and it's just a matter of time. She about to start wanting to get off now. Here.
hey, if she starts crying, put her on the floor. She'll.
I can't put her on the floor while I'm driving. Just take her to. What are you about to do?
Probably.
Yeah, you're gonna be on the office. So if she's crying, you're not gonna hear her.
Weren't you playing this yesterday and the day before that?
No, I haven't played it since Wednesday. It's Friday. I'm only playing on Wednesdays and Fridays now. On Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Keep in mind, I work 6 days a week. I like to get my mind off of work and play games every now and then. Who we waiting on?
Wait, who are? Oh,
No one wants to text Mariki, so I'm not even sure if he's going to race tonight.
Well, thanks for letting me know we're going. Dang. Jeez.
Hear me?
Hey, we're going.
no, Monkey's talking about his
Thanks. Figured that out now.
top 5 that he got this week.
Appreciate it, John. I'm so glad you're always here.
Can anyone hear me?
What would I do without John?
Yes.
Can hear you now.
All right.
Yo, this is your worst mistake, Hummel.
What is my worst mistake? What are you talking about?
Inviting MRM.
What?
Weren't you the one who invited MRM?
I don't know where he came from, dude.
Nobody knows
Ask
where
for a link of one of the
No.
Discord servers.
I don't know. I don't really care. Whatever
No, you
link
got
I
him
could
from
have
the
given him
Facebook
is
links.
literally in like 5 other servers anyway. So if he got into any one of those, he could have gotten into
No, I
any
meant-
of the other 5.
That's true.
Just,
You're the one who gave them
why
the
are you
link to
blaming
the.
it on me? Alright, whatever. DJ's starting
No,
beef
I'm
with
not
me.
blaming you.
He's bald right
I'm just
away.
jokingly blaming
I'm
on
so
you,
sick
bro.
of
It's not your
him.
fault. It's
I'm
not your fault.
literally
Okay,
gonna
I'm
ruin
sorry.
his
I'm
night
sorry, James.
all night long. Don't mess with. No, I'm kidding.
Starter has the green flag in his hand. Be ready here. Hammer down, green down.
Disqualifying.
Yes, sir.
Clear high, bud. Back it down, back it down. Got one peeking outside.
Dude, that was the perfect drift of like ever. Yo, have you guys ever had those guava fingers in Thailand?
What?
The guava candy.
Never heard of it.
Clear the pits, hammer down.
Oh,
Got
sorry.
one outside now.
Oh my gosh.
Driver, wake
No,
up.
it's-
Wrong pit lane.
Sucks.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, whoever that yellow truck was. It was either come up the track and avoid over the pits again. I don't know why. They're just spinning out the second one. I'm sorry. But yeah, no, they're like guava. It's like a hard candy. Tastes like guava. I'm pretty sure it has a gooey thing. Anyway, I haven't had them in that time. I just ordered it in the big bag on my candy drawer in Rochester. I'm so excited.
I need 2 more on the left, bud. Keep it going.
Alright, so who won the everybody?
White flag is in the air.
Yeah, I hit the wall on the straightaways almost every fucking line.
Oh, is Monkey? Oh, Monkey's here. We're at a meeting. It was a Cox thing. A voice chat. And they randomly tried to
Get up next time.
to something that's like in the middle of the conversation. He starts a beef with me.
the fuck?
Man, I miss Blackie. Where is he?
Yeah, what's going on?
Bro, he's only raced once in this truck league.
What's this league? Isn't this like race 7 or something?
Of course, I lose server connection. I hit a 464. Damn. My qualifying won't count. We got the picture, by the way. You guys can back out.
Ooh, look at us, top 3.
Ah, man.
Dude, I got a top 10.
Man, God, why'd you have to ruin this for me?
I think Josh got the
Me
link,
and
see Walt
Monkey-
DJ.
Me and Monkey having a mid off, apparently. Wait, how did Pokeball get?
Tied.
Okay, never mind. All right, never mind.
What the fuck? What do we do?
Yeah. Anyway, why do I have to start on the outside? Hold up. This is some bullshit.
Have we ever? We should do
No.
rock paper scissors for it. Yeah, you should do
No.
rock paper scissors.
No.
Turn on your cameras.
No. Monkey can
Actually,
have
I'm
it.
gonna set up
Fine.
my hotspot after last night's shenanigans.
It's Bristol, dude. I don't care. This is it's like
Wait,
cool.
aren't you?
Let's go from the biggest track to like a really tiny. You're gonna run into people all the time track. Why is
The track
Wait,
I
it
really
not?
hate in this
is this for
games.
last for the qualifying? Like you two got
We're gonna
last.
be like New Hampshire or Iowa or something, like a good short track.
I would love an Iowa.
Not these one lane doo-doo racetracks.
Can I get John in here?
Yeah, I'm in here. What's that? Go ahead and get in.
Yeah, get in the lobby, idiot. What are you doing?
I forgot.
Oh my god.
Idiot.
I forgot.
DJ?
This guy.
Oh, great.
No, I'm kidding. I love you, John.
Or wait, no. B-Man?
Wait, I got the pole. Hold on, what's going on?
You absolutely did not get pole.
Yeah, I got pole.
Pokeboy?
I got pole.
Come on, Chandler Smith.
If you know what I mean.
Monkey? Humble.
Anybody else want my pole? Who else up with their pole right now? Wait, what?
Who owns
Oh
the
no,
Baby
Luke
League
Fennos
server?
wrecked again.
Do we all have to go? Is Zach
SG.
just starting last?
You might want to tell him to get rid of Trackhouse.
Start it, John.
Wait,
All right.
what? Get rid of Trackhouse? What do you mean?
Everyone get
MRM
It's in the fucking
invited
Baby
Trackhouse.
League.
What?
MRM invited Trackhouse to the Baby League server.
Good. Good.
I want to
Good.
make sure I haven't said
Perfect.
anything bad about him.
He
Hold
will
up.
fit in. He might
Hamilton, come get a
He'll
lower.
probably be one of the cleanest drivers.
Red's only gonna be like 40 minutes lower. Hilton, you got a lower? I'll give you both. Well, Hilton, I'll just give you money.
Guys, can we all say psych and go to a different track real quick?
Yeah, we can go to Martinsville. That'd be
I'll
fun.
actually go.
You know,
Yeah,
fuck
I'll
it. Let's
pick
do Martinsville. I'm actually
over
decent there. I need to put pre-sale
I'll
on
change
shit.
it.
There we go.
I'll change it to Martinsville.
Or Iowa. Let's go to Iowa, please.
Oh damn! I left in my qualifying slider.
Everyone's
This
on
would
the
be the
hit
perfect time
list.
for my
Everyone
dad
is on
just
the
to
hit list
kill
now.
me.
Just kidding. I'm just gonna run into everybody on accident.
So tempted to correct MRM and be like, you mean the league that he doesn't own, right?
Well, I'm gonna have a short run car because I left my slider on a damn
Because if he
E8 like
owned
an
it,
idiot.
it wouldn't be here.
Bold of you to assume there's gonna be yellows, John.
Hopefully, because I left my slider on an 8 when I did my qualifying setup. But oh well.
Yeah, I'm not doing
I was gonna put it to a 6 or a 7, but
that. Yeah, I'm
I
doing
guess 8's
7.
fine.
7 for me.
Oh, why do you
Yeah,
snap me now?
it's just gonna fall off at the end of the round. I think I can
Slower lap,
fix
but
that
I
with
also
it.
I didn't have one good lap. I actually just suck right now. I need
think I
some
can-
warm up.
Come on, Tamajeski. Wreck Corey Heim, please.
I need Connor. I need who I need Chandler Smith to win. He paid out the most, so I'll put 20 on him. He'll pay out
He's
300.
4th right now.
I need him to win.
But Corey Heim is like ass whipping the field.
I know. I'm hoping he'll make a pit mistake or something.
Oh, why am I crafting down the 20s?
John, remember our conversation?
Yeah, but he didn't pay out enough. Since he started first, he was only like plus 150. So I would have had a better lot. And it ain't over yet. Martinsville, whoever's leading on the last lap in Martinsville usually doesn't win. So
That
Boy
is
says
true.
Be
otherwise.
smart out there. Going green.
Oh.
Be ready here.
We are
I think the
accelerating
person
at
leading on the
Bristol.
last lap is the winner.
Side.
Unfortunately, I
about
don't think
it.
I can commentate the truck race while driving this truck race. Oh, this car's tight now, but it should be decent on the long run at least.
Oh fuck, I'm tight.
Looking inside
Yeah, you
now.
are.
My bad.
It's okay, because I also did myself.
Oh
that's
shit.
All clear.
That's a bad exit by both of us.
Oh. Who
Well,
that?
it was Zach that I came up in front of before. I'm sorry.
No, that was me. Hummel.
Still there?
No, it was
You
the
both
first
killed
time.
me.
There was a second time where I absolutely.
Alright, you're clear then.
No, Hummel, when you came out of the pits,
Alright, careful.
Oh my god, Caden
I
Huntington's
said
on
you
the
walked
inside
up
of
to
Corey
his
Heim.
car.
Monkey, I'm talking after.
Corey Heim just wrecked.
B-Man's upside down.
Hold up. This is really important, guys.
Oh, come on.
Guys, Corey Heim just got wrecked.
Really? I told you.
B-Man, you just took a fucking hard right on the back stretch.
Because I was busy watching the race. I had priorities there. You can't blame me. When Corey Heim wrecks, society wins, and we have just won.
How bad did he win? How bad did he wreck?
Well, he spun. He's got a tire down.
Oh, really?
They're showing a replay right now.
Oh, he's going to the back of the pack there.
And he got to his inside, kind of walled him a little bit accidentally, and then tire just went down.
Chandler Smith going to. All right, so Chandler Smith third.
Fifth or fourth now looks
shit.
like.
Damn it! He lost on the outside. All right.
What, you thought I was gonna? Come on.
Hey, look, I'm back where I started Pokemon. Remember we were right here like 3 laps ago?
Alright.
My choice was 6th place or 2nd.
Green flag. Inside.
Hey, oh, you should have been 7th with me.
Got a car.
There's so many yellow cars.
I should have drove through that wreck.
Yellow Conundrum Part 2 at Bristol?
Oh, cool.
I barely got out of it.
It's basically half right now.
A little tight.
Hey, this is Bristol dirt again.
21 left. No mistake here. Hold your
It's
line.
basically all B-Man.
Oh, why are we 3 wide?
It's making it 3 wide. Which
You're all clear on the
Where was I
bottom.
supposed to go? There's like.
Which yellow car was it?
Hold your line.
Okay, that time I just spun out. I'm sorry.
Oh god, okay.
Oh my god, Hummel is a hazard.
Unbelievable.
That'd be a lot less of that.
Where's this
Have to
kill?
avoid B-Man.
What do you
I
mean
think I
avoid
just
me?
Hey, you threw like 2 slide drops back to back. Like the craziest
what the
slide drop. Like the second one was even crazier than the first one. First one wasn't that bad, but the second one.
Fuck.
Dang.
Fuck, man.
Excellent lap.
Call me Ryan Newman.
You're Ryan Newman.
I will not
The
call you
vehicle is
right.
very tight right now. I do want to point that out.
What was the
Your what's very tight?
My truck.
Zach, what was your last time?
A 384 before I lagged out. Why?
You didn't post.
Are you wall riding?
No. What do you mean? Yeah, I'm not wall riding. I'm just sitting back here in the 6, watching B-Man ride.
Bro, if I get stuck behind another car who smacks the wall and I'm behind them, I'm going to start dumping people. Swear to
To be
God.
fair,
You
all of
better
us have
never
hit the
touch
wall.
that wall for the rest of the race, though. That's a bold thing to say in the early stages of Bristol. I'm gonna be real with you, Chief.
It's not even the first stage, and I've had 3 people directly in front of me hit the wall, and I basically plowed into them with nowhere to go.
I guarantee you.
Damn, yeah, it's changed the wall. Alright, you gained U-turns on me.
3 different people in the span of
Funky, come
Oh
on.
shit.
10, 16.
Why are
I
you-
didn't realize you were there.
Yeah, I was there. Oh.
Inside. Alright, you're clear there. Inside. Alright, you're clear.
Can't wait to put a little bit of adjustments into
Hold
this
your
truck.
line. Got one inside.
God, I'm
All
so
clear. Alright, time to go. Keep it nice and smooth for us.
Uncle Ultips in what? Michael Waltrip has been high on Caden Honeycutt since he joined. So
Okay.
tight, it's annoying.
That explains the yellow truck.
Where the heck did everyone else go?
I'm slow because I hate this track. That's a wall.
I got stuck behind B-Man.
I'm at Hummel.
Stay at the bottom.
And then I about killed Hummel.
All right.
Not realizing he was on my outside.
Damn, Hooker Boy's fast here.
Okay, what are you doing?
Around there.
Oh, you're cool.
Hold your line. Got one inside.
Really?
Below there.
Kind of bounce
On your inside.
So I don't really know where to go. Yeah, but every time I'm behind you, you're like hitting the wall. And that's how I get next
That
to
was
you.
not.
You don't have to courtesy to.
When I hit the wall, there's nobody behind me and people can avoid me. Everyone else hits the wall in front of me. I have nowhere to go. What is this? I almost
Hey,
died
Hummel, I
from
hate to tell you this, but he's...
Hey, Hummel, you can't just fucking turn up and run the field and complain
I
about other
didn't.
people.
Oh my gosh. I turned not that way.
Yo, can you like go around me? If you're faster. Go around you.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god. Sorry.
My bad.
I lifted and it turned
I
me.
decided just to rotate right then and there.
Not to readjust. Oh my god.
This guy driving me.
Fuck no, it's just John, not
Still
John
trying to
B-Man.
talk to it because it was absolutely wild.
So, Hummel, I hate to tell you this, but B-Man's not hitting the wall no more.
Yeah, not no more. Not anymore.
The moment you got past him, he wasn't hitting the wall.
I know, isn't it funny how that works? But when I'm behind him, I guess I'm just stay learning how to and he just like sucks. So then I get next to him and suddenly he's like Mario and Jody and wants to fight me. It's like, bro,
That was the last lap. I was like, what the fuck?
let me buy
Why is the game not doing
How can I start smoking already?
what?
Yeah, mine's also doing on entry.
Hit your mark.
It's annoying.
My god,
Stop
this
back
is,
end
this
stuff.
sucks. I have a really, really fast truck, but I'm a bad driver at this track. If anyone else had the truck that I have now, they would fucking hit me.
That'll earn you a few stage
I'm
points.
surprised, boy. Like, you just drove to my inside. Like, what the fuck? From my 210s back.
Oh no, William Byron has a tire rub.
I am not making any adjustments. I need to adjust
4 tires
my
this
way of
time.
driving first.
Oh, we've had a collection. Jack me off woods in it.
What?
That's what I call them now.
Can we get a sound clip of that, DJ?
I mean, maybe. I just had to find the.
It's in
Next
stage
one.
1.
Okay, stage 1. I'm not gonna remember that.
All right, man.
Unless
Coming to the green.
Hummel will
Ready?
pin it for me.
Into stage
I don't
1.
know. Although you don't really edit your videos, so I guess you wouldn't do that.
Oh shit.
why would I watch that? Any of these videos? I don't even know why I entered it. But that would be real cheap. I don't know why.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm telling you guys, it's without a.
How did I get hit? I literally sat there trying not to pass anybody, just sitting there waiting for that to happen. Saw it happen, and then it was like, yep, glad I waited. Like just
No,
like I
Grant
thought I
and
should.
fingers in the rack.
And then just
Hummel,
as
you
I'm
don't
driving into the
understand.
corner, my truck does a complete 180 as quick as it's ever.
Hummel,
Hey, let's just say
so funny.
the yellow cars had to stack up on the wall, and 2 of the 3 yellow cars
I
died.
don't. It's not mapping in my head how I went all that.
I don't really know
It's still
how
not
we got to the inside of Zach there.
It doesn't make sense.
What? Were you guys 3 wide?
Somehow, like I was on the inside checking up because I got in because Zach checked up or something, and then John got to me, and then for some reason we were 3 wide after that.
I'll do it again. I don't care. It's
For
Bristol.
some
I'm
reason,
sorry, Pokeboy.
Yo,
I'm
but-
only laughing because I don't know how many times
We
everyone
bounce
says
off.
it.
We bounce off. We bounce off the wall and Rick the wheel.
Yo, we got the two
Drive safe,
Legend.
be smart, keep
I
your head
guess.
on straight.
Take your beta
Ready.
luggage back.
Hold your line, got one inside. Inside.
Oh my gosh, why is John lagging? Am I lagging?
Only one who's lagging is Chris.
fucking tight.
Am I lagging? No one's told me I'm lagging.
No,
No, you're good.
one off
Lagging. Everyone else is
Got one
lagging.
peeking inside. All right, you're clear there. Hold your line, got one inside. Clear all around there.
My truck want to turn there, but earlier it does not want to turn.
That was a great lap.
So much like throttle was very behind.
Hey John, I like your red wheels. It's pretty cool.
Wow, that's fast.
What?
Welcome.
I said I like your red wheels in your truck.
Oh no.
I don't want to pass you, but Zach is
Yeah, my car's struggling. I should have put it in. I should have made some more adjustments.
Dude, I'm gonna need you to stop hitting the wall, because whenever you hit the
no.
wall, I'm gonna follow you
I'm
into
getting
the
on.
wall.
I'm just gonna.
Hold your line, got one inside.
Spot back.
All clear.
You're gonna have to wait a little longer than that, Hummel.
That's a wall as
Oh,
well.
I did
slow
a
down.
Bristol and the same problem I'm having with this person. It's getting squished.
I didn't even hit you though, I thought.
No, it's not your fault. You and the entire field were like getting to us. I didn't want to like make a risky move, but there was maybe they have a lane to choose.
Good. You got a lot of traffic guys right now.
I smell a Pokeboy win today.
I'm having a bad night. Maybe one day.
God, you absolutely cannot be doing that.
Nice and smooth for
One
it.
day me and
I was trying to lift. I lifted off the I lifted off the exit trying to get Pokeboy around me, and it went around. I did not know it was going to go around like that. Sorry, Pokeboy.
No worries. That was
No, I've been having that issue. These things snap a little bit easier than the cup cars.
Well,
Like they have less of
Yeah,
a cup car. You have
Yeah, I
like a
was trying to
second or
find
two
a way-
before it's completely gone. The truck is
Yeah.
just like, hey, you shouldn't have been here in the first place. Sorry, you're backwards now.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, my bad.
Yeah, I was trying to find a way to let Pokeboy pass me without us losing much time. About ended up a disaster.
Yeah, the outside.
Loosen this thing even more.
Yeah, sorry.
That's what I was thinking.
I didn't mean to switch really quickly. What are we doing next week? Did we get further actual issues next week?
I think we should go to Martinsville next week.
No, we don't.
I think we do.
Martinsville unironically takes more skill.
I think we can chance it.
I think it's Dago.
5 to go.
We just did that.
Fuck Dega,
Please not again.
in my opinion.
If we do Dago, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Just be ultra aggressive.
Yeah, me disconnecting after like less than 10 laps.
That's been awesome, dude. Can you keep doing it? I'm realizing this
That's
He only does it in
restart,
2
though.
leagues though.
I'm losing the point
This
game.
NNRL, he won't do it. And oh my god, is Caden Honeycutt gonna win this race? 15 to go.
It's rivals.
Who's gonna win?
Hey, Caden Honeycutt's leading right now. Jesky's to the inside though. And Tyler
Oh.
Ingram's taking it 3 wide for first. I'm about to spin
No,
here because I'm not paying attention.
I need-
Yep, Tyler Ingram just wrecked Caden Honeycutt and kind of Jesky.
Damn, I need Akron to lose.
In those 8-10s, they're watching that. Ingram just sent it 3 wide for some reason.
Isn't it
Or do
only
you
the
put money
top?
on Akron losing?
Is it only first place against St. Louis?
I just need
Yes.
him to finish.
Fuck,
I can't remember.
Like, oh god.
I think I need Ben Rose to finish ahead of Tyler Ankrum.
White flag, dig, driver.
Ben Rhodes is 12th right now.
Wait, that's
What
a
does
lot.
Kogi by half in that spot?
He's got that grip hack. Hold on a second. I just want to look at this replay. No, you know, Ankrum didn't wreck him. Majeski, I think, just got in too deep and
Wave them guys
spun it.
off. Caution's out.
See, yeah, no, never mind. Majeski kind of just went in there deep, locked him up, wheel hopped, and so got him in Honeycutt. Not Ankrum's fault at all. Like, I think Ankrum pressured him, but nothing, not even an inch of contact there. Daniel Hemrick's in second.
Oh.
I don't want a Daniel Hemrick man win.
How many laps left?
They're probably gonna go back with like 9 to go.
Does the Chandler
If they
Smith
have
have a
another wreck,
chance?
I will probably be wrecking myself. So yeah.
Where are they?
All right, now be smart out there.
Where are they racing at?
Not Barnesville.
Hammer down, green's out.
Oh, alright.
That's a beautiful line right there by me.
Yours was still cleaner than mine.
I just killed a monkey. I did not expect my car to snap like that. I'm sorry, monkey.
Yeah, it's happened everywhere.
Say hi, say hi. All clear.
Oh, sorry, Monkey. You said I was all clear, but when I looked, I wasn't. I was only.
You were.
Wow, look at that. That was the spotter.
Just barely clear, but you were.
I thought I was quick enough coming out, but then I looked, I was like, oh no, we moved it down the road. Oh, hey, there's a building.
Imagine this with assist.
Oh, there we go.
There goes B-Man.
That's the first one of the night. I hate that apron. Really, Jamie, are you telling me a driver started their career in the Truck Series? Did you guys know a driver started his career in the Truck Series? It's pretty cool, huh?
Not all of them.
Hold on, what do you
Daniel
mean,
Hemrick did.
started? Hold on, do you mean like started? Like that's routine race?
Apparently so. I'm pretty sure he ran ARCA though.
That's it, just a
Daniel Hemrick.
What?
That is kind of impressive.
Chamberlain Gisborne started his career in Cup.
Fair.
That was a better lap.
American racing stuff.
I don't want to make this.
Where's MRM when we need him? He'd be about 100 laps down in a 60-lap race. He'll find a way.
Yeah, please just take caution for to watch this restart, guys. Great.
It's almost like every sign this is. This almost sucks.
DJ guy sucks. The fact that he did not have a reaction.
I've been here. I just don't want to die. I've honestly been just sitting there waiting.
Careful,
Restart. Oh my god, terrible restart by Jake Garcia. Oh my god, it's only between Ankrum and Hemrick, isn't it? 8 to go.
I'm just gonna give it back.
Still there?
Anyway, I'm just chilling.
Am I allowed to wall ride and not gain time just to watch the truck race?
Whoa, DJ, watch out! Sorry.
Careful.
That's okay.
The fuck
That's
did I
good
just
when
see?
you were- Whew. I had it turned all the way to the left and all the way to the right, trying to save it.
Oh no, Lane Riggs has a tire rub.
Still there?
Okay, and
No, Crafton's slow. What the heck?
No, I need Crafton to finish ahead of Garcia.
Crafton's not gonna finish ahead of Garcia.
Dude, this lag is gonna
Damn it.
Oh, and Lane Riggs almost gets spun.
No, I'm stuck. Come on, guys. Someone get past
Dan Hamburg actually might win this race.
me. You just get the small one.
5 to go.
Am I allowed to wreck 2 people?
As soon as you said that, I just heard like someone hit the wall.
Like, I love
I don't think
both
anything.
I like both you guys, but oh my
Hammer's
god.
on the inside. Hammer's gonna win this race, man.
Careful. Still there.
Where to go? No, if Hemrick wins, then I don't have all the Hemrick race win diecast. Daniel Hemrick just took the lead.
Careful. Still there.
Jake Garcia might win this race as well. He's up
You're
there.
clear.
Damn. I didn't even know who Jake
Oh, no,
Garcia
it's
is.
fun again. Holy shit, what the fuck?
Oh, come on.
why is Garcia's
Okay.
picking up earlier?
Oh my god, Daniel Hemrick's gapping.
And just go low. Go low.
Yeah, Daniel Hemrick's gonna win
It
this
wasn't
race.
you got glitched,
Careful.
they came up
Still
with
there.
right in front of me, like super wide.
Clear.
2 laps to go. Oh my god, can we get a caution? I don't want Daniel Hemrick to
All
win,
right, you're clear
man.
there.
Bro, Rydon would be pissed right now.
I want to see that.
Oh my god, we're coming to the white flag now. Daniel Hemrick about to win.
That's crazy.
Wow, that's,
Dan
such
Howard
a-
just won.
that's one of my favorite tracks ever.
Oh, I don't have all the Hemrick race wins.
Ah, this truck won't stop spinning around.
I see the gap there and I went for it. That he just happened to be there.
Yeah.
I mean, nothing to do about it on my end. It's short track racing, tight track.
Yeah, my tires ruined. I don't know what I did with the truck.
My tires are also ruined. It's funny.
I was trying to keep up with Pokemon. I started doing good. Man, I did that for about 5 laps, and the truck it keeps doing that crap.
Someone's flipping.
Oh my word.
I won't.
John was over the catch.
All right, you're clear there.
I need to take a
How is
replay
that
of it.
not a
That
caution?
was funny.
That was crazy.
I'm glad I deleted some stuff so I can save that replay.
Someone flipping behind me and I'm blowing over with a caution.
Oh,
and
DJ,
I don't think
DJ,
I'm
you got
getting
that?
six.
DJ had a
Not that.
I mean, I remember we've had multiple people flip out Atlanta before. No yellow.
Did you go underneath, Tom?
I went over. I went over Pokemon. I'm just glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't wreck him because he hit me.
You definitely left him on my screen. Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, I saw him.
Yeah, I'm glad
slam.
Matter of
But
fact,
he
he's behind. Man, this is probably one of my worst trucks. I don't know what happened, dude. This thing just fell apart.
All right, Hemrick does a backup win. Or backup
good question.
wins.
So I've
When's
actually
y'all
got a
going? If
major
it's on the schedule.
problem. I took less gas hoping it would get me to a spot on the road, which it didn't. But that also means no yellow for me, and now I haven't hit it for a while.
How do you manage that?
Give me a break. There's
Daniel Hemrick has done his second career backflip.
stage 3 and car went flipping. The caution was there, like I thought it would be. And, yeah,
Oh, Pokeball's around. I didn't hit him.
please bring out a yellow, please. I hate no. I've got 2 laps here. Please.
Why does it keep spinning like that? That's so stupid.
Looks like the tire is exploding.
It just has like a stupid. It's like it's getting up on 2 wheels, kind of stupid. Like I don't understand it.
You want to bring a caution?
No.
No, I did not.
I am trying my hardest.
I can't even drive. I can't even go. Like I don't get it.
Oh shit.
Fuck, I'm recording that. That was on me.
I'm about to back out.
Let's go!
Those
Do
technically,
that.
you two were involved, stopped, then I spun out right behind you guys.
Dude, I
I
literally
was on the
I
apron.
have 1 lap of gas left.
That was the only time this race I got loose like that.
Yeah. You got loose 2 off turn 4?
Behind you guys.
And
I
I got
just got back going straight when I seen you two pretty much nose to tail facing the outside wall.
That saved me, dude. That fixed everything.
I just
Well,
fucking
it sucks for Pokemon because he was dominating. I hope he wins.
Me too.
Oh, I thought
Pokemon's
B-Man.
lucky. DJ will probably beat him.
Oh, yeah, that does. I thought it was B-Man. I didn't feel that bad. No thanks.
You're coming to the green.
Actually, thanks.
Ready?
What the heck?
Car outside.
What just happened? Why?
He's accelerating.
Oh,
What
Lord.
is that?
Dude, it went
They're
green.
decelerating.
Suddenly, everyone was a whole like.
Final's clear. Top 3.
I like it.
Nope.
Inside. Clear all around.
Hummel?
I don't know.
Unbelievable.
Hummel?
Yeah, I don't know. Nobody went on my restart, and then I started. Yeah, that was a weird restart.
Everybody went besides Hummel on the restart. Then I think Hummel got tight on corner exit.
No, it was like we were 3 wide, so I wasn't sure what to do.
Corner exit, you were 2 wide.
And things were just.
And then you got John. John got the wall bounced off, and I'm just there.
I'm backing out because there's only 15 laps to go. I'm still gonna be a lap down, so I'm not gonna get in the mix. So I'm backing completely out. Y'all cause a caution. That's on y'all.
Alright, man. You're coming to the green. Almost ready. Still there.
And now
inside.
everybody goes.
Yeah, that actually worked this time.
Hold your line. Stay high.
Oh my
You
god.
got room. You're clear. Inside.
Okay. This one.
Stay on the bottom. Stay on the bottom. Got 1 down low now. Clear high, clear high.
Why are you making it 3 wide?
I got hit by a
I shoved him in.
I'm getting.
Two more.
Oh my god, why did
Son
John
of
make
a- Why are we 4 What were we 4 wide?
John's just.
I did not mean to do that.
Let's be
I
careful.
didn't mean-
Pokeboy is actually in position to win this. Sylvie and Zach.
You got 1 to go.
That one.
Why the fuck did we get 4 wide?
My bad. That was.
And how were we 4 wide
know.
here?
Good job, Pokeboy.
Oh, dude.
Alright.
What the fuck? So nervous.
I was trying to keep it on the bottom.
DJ got dead.
Is John trying to fuck with AI?
Congrats, Pokeboy.
Good job,
At
Pokeboy.
least I was able to get a better spot when the points were. It's just, honestly, at least only
What
first
happened
get
to-
stage.
what happened to BJ?
because You don't have to worry about fighting if you're not getting first. You can just chill.
Okay, I
Focus
take it
on
John just fucking
practice.
around.
Yeah.
I was
Oh my
hoping
gosh.
for one more caution. I would have been on the outside of Pokeboy. I would have made a stick.
What
But I
happened
was
to
on the
BJ
inside.
is,
And Pokeboy.
yeah, what happened
Damn.
to DJ is
Oh.
Pokeboy and DJ were running into each other, and DJ was on the outside. I think he
And
bounced
then
off the
B-Man sends,
wall, and
sends
then,
it, gets me into you.
yeah, I guess Monkey got hit by B-Man. I got hit by Monkey, which then sent me up into DJ, and then sent me back down into Monkey, and then back up into DJ.
And then John
And
sent
then
it
I
4
drove
wide.
away and looked back, and going
To
into
be
the
fair,
corner, they were
I-
4 wide. It
be-
literally,
Oh,
they
dude.
couldn't fit. They could not fit on the track. John was like halfway on the apron,
Hey,
and the guy
to
on
be
the
fair,
outside was pressed against the
I
wall.
put it for a
It was
while,
so
but I
funny.
backed out. Okay.
We were
Dude,
all
that's
touching.
Pokeboy.
That's
to
gonna
say
be
that-
that is the thumbnail of all time.
Yeah, but I did make it 4 wide. We didn't wreck. I mean, that's pretty good achievement.
Well,
Alright,
we
but that's
did,
because
kinda, but we
hold on.
It was relatively
That's
good.
because there was no space to wreck. Nobody could.
Yay, I got
Nobody's
fences.
truck could actually
Hey.
turn it because you were that sandwiched together.
I got fences left
Like,
again. 40 points
you
for
guys
me.
had better long run
Oh
cars,
my
but I
god.
had a good short run.
Goodness. Did I get 6 fastest lap? Or was it
Yeah, you
Probably.
slow.
No, that's awesome. What do you mean? I got 3rd. I don't care if I was slow. I'm happy.
Yeah.
My tactic after stage 1 was just, alright, I should probably just chill. And this might work out in my favor. And it did. That worked out nice. I screwed myself. I had nothing to Zach and Pokeboy at the end, but I definitely could have if I didn't screw myself. But
If
that
I
probably
had
would
the
have
top,
resulted in
I've been
all of us
better.
wrecking, so I think it worked out well.
Bro, like, damn. I did not have the top. Pokeboy went up, I just shoved it in the bottom. And kept it on the bottom. Don't know how I did not spin on the apron. I clipped
Yeah, I
the
don't know
apron
how
off.
YouTube... Yeah, I saw that too. I was like, cool, there goes Zach into me. And then you didn't. And I was like, oh, okay, cool, whatever. Guess that's it.
Damn.
How long was that? That was fast as hell.
It was painful
28
and
minutes.
slightly fun. It was really only funny when I looked back and saw 4 trucks squished together. That was
Damn.
hilarious.
Good job, Pokeball, on your win.
That
God
one never
damn.
That's like the best I've ever ran at Bristol, other than that one time where
Bro.
custom setups weren't banned, and it was the only one with a custom setup that one race. That's the
Bro,
only
what
other
were you
time I ran good.
smoking tonight?
I
You were
don't
smoking some
know.
crack.
Yo,
I genuinely don't know.
you guys want to get a rival?
No, I think I'm done for tonight.
Why do you always say that? You suck. After every race.
Usually it's because I have other things that I want to do tonight, other than just race.
Hey,
Yeah, well,
Pokeboy,
you know
did I
what?
bump
Can't
you at
do
all
that.
when I was inside of you? I was trying to keep it as clean as I can.
Yeah, I kind of got that.
Dude,
The
I was
only
trying
the
to.
only person
DJ.
that I didn't get stuck behind when they hit the outside wall was John and
Me.
B-Man.
Obviously,
Everyone
me.
else, I was behind someone at that one point or another, and I'm like, bro, this
I
A
can't be
never.
rare
Dude,
happening.
mistake
I
by
totally
me.
did not. I
An
never did
oval.
that.
That's not Talladega or Daytona.
I didn't even get close to the wall the whole race, dude. I don't know what you're talking about.
Humble was leading the entire race, guys. We just didn't see it because he was so fast.
Yeah, I was literally so far ahead.
Up for like 3 minutes. Bro, he was already on lap like 107. 100.
Yeah.
But yeah, Pokeboy, I had nothing for you. I just wish I would have like kind of get up and bump you to like slow you down a little bit.
Dude,
But you dominated, and I would have felt bad if I would have used you a little bit. But
Dude, I had something for
Dude,
everybody.
I was
After stage
fucking
1,
terrified.
it's kind of hard to get to the front when you start in the back and there's only like 20 laps in the stage. You don't get very
4th
far.
win this year in the Truck Series. What the
Who's that?
fuck?
You know how I said I went around?
Alright, GG's
Right behind
everybody.
you guys?
I'm gonna go to Wreckfest now.
This is what I mean.
And then probably
If it loads.
PUBG. The video will be up tomorrow, probably in the morning or afternoon, because I don't feel like putting it together now.
Watch how loose I get, and I was turning dead.
Actually, that's a
fucking
lie.
right.
I want that done.
Who says I see you get
just want the
loose?
picture.
Who says I see anything? Then get going.
Agree
You
with
guys
me,
are pretty much
Monkey.
nose to tail facing the wall.
Yeah. You agree with me, Monkey. I learned. You saw how loose you got, and I got loose too.